What's up there, YouTube? It's your boy T2Easy, and today we're in my first military tactical video. So before I branch off what today's video is going to be about, just know that all my military videos can be based upon weaponry, military advice, might have some knives, but majority of the times it'll be weaponry, military boots, anything dealing with the military, but also part of civilian life as well. So off that subject, today we are talking about one of the best pistols on the market to buy under $1,000. That is very custom. And when I say under $1,000, I paid about $825 total for mine for today. I bought it today, exactly today. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about the Canik TP9SFX. And it comes with a kit just like this. Like, the kit itself was very cool looking, Canik, with a little stamp on it, a little bonus on it, you get in it. So you unboxing it, you open it up, you're gonna get something like this. Today I took it to the range as well, so I'll put that in the video as well, me taking it to the range. And I'm gonna give you a brief summary of what's all in the box. You have, of course, your manual, stuff that you would need to make sure you're shooting right, warranties, information like that, even a little cleaning kit, what else? And basically to understand what are you getting into. So that's broken down. They're gonna give you a belt clip for when you have a tactical utility utility belt on. You're gonna get some cleaning tools, that's all in there. You're gonna get your iron sights, your under rails. You get a bonus magazine with a magazine holster as well to keep them from getting dust and debris in them or holding down bullets inside. You can get back your aperture lightings for your night sights or cannon sights, and you can take off the hollow. You can take out the hollow sight as well if you want to, but don't take it off. That's the best part of the pistol, one of the best. So when you very first get this weapon, after you do a license and registration for the pistol that you're getting, you're gonna notice two things. Number one, this just has a cover on it. Number two, it's fucking awesome. Excuse my French for any kids is watching. So when you very first get the pistol, and you take it off, you'll notice that the hollow sights are, the hollow sights are not on, right? So what are you gonna do is, right here on the side, there are like these buttons you press and it will force the light on. Now, mind you, the case does come with a battery for them. So if you don't see your first open, it's because the battery has to be put in first. So you're gonna need some alley wrench keys to unlock this, screw this off, and then you're gonna put them in and then you're gonna retighten it back. Now I went to the range to zero them in as well to make sure I was on site. So we're gonna do it again. And it's pretty hard, and there you go. So that's how it will look. Part of it's, there you go, on the money. So in order to turn them off, you just press dial back down, you did, and before you know it, after a couple of presses, it's not there no more. So the pistol itself, I took it to the range today, very effective and very on point, lollipop style. So when you taking them off, easy mag withdrawal. There's a button right here on the side that's easily taps. You just easily tap that right back in. The charging handle, I like this addition. It looks very well. And on the side, you can press it forward, just press it forward. So it's very smooth and very well augmented. Now, the double tap system right there on the inside, it was kind of weird for me to get used to it in a way, but it was very well afforded. Again, there's nothing in the chamber, empty. If you want to slide it forward, you slide it back down like that. Excuse me. So all in to say, part of this video will be showing me at the range, and we'll see where it goes from there. So as you've seen in a quick little 10-second clip, I shot about 7 rounds off, and it's pretty fast. It's really a competitive pistol as well, which means meant for competition. So it's really fast and really efficient. If there are 5 things I can identify by it easily, Easy trigger pull, or as I said, trigger squeeze. Easy mag withdrawal. Easy to, should I say, put in safe. Another fourth thing, comes with a lot of attachments. You can really mod this pistol up to all type of shit. Like, the addition for it was very well. And the last thing I'll say, it's very cheap, very affordable for anybody's a first buy out there. Very affordable, under $1,000 for a pistol with a sight on it, custom rail, custom barrel, and a custom ejection port. You can't beat that. So with that being said, guys, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel of T2 Easily. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please drop them down below. And with that being said, see you guys later. May God bless.